Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are a physiotherapist looking to practice in the UK, you are likely aware that registering with the Health and Care Professions Council or HCPC is an essential step. So today we'll walk you through each step of the HCPC registration process with a focus on the time involved at each stage. So if you are looking to start your career as a physiotherapist in the UK, stay tuned. So first up, let's break down the HCPC registration process into 4 main steps from applying to paying the final registration fee. I'll also share approximate timelines for each step so you know what to expect and when to expect. Step number 1, apply and pay the scrutiny fee. The first step is to submit your application and pay the scrutiny fee. Now this fee covers the HCPC's assessment of your education, training and experience to ensure you meet their standards. You will fill out your personal details, education, professional experience and submit the other required documents as well. The scrutiny fee is non-refundable, so be sure all your information is accurate and complete before submitting. Step number 2, initial review and verification checks. Time involved is approximately 4 weeks. So once your application is submitted, the HCPC team starts with an initial review and verification of your documents. This step typically takes about 4 weeks. And this part of the process is crucial as the HCPC verifies that your application is complete and checks your identity and educational background. So you make sure you have submitted all documents requested in the application to avoid any sort of delays. Step 3, assessment review of education and training, approximately 60 working days. After your initial review, we move on to one of the longer steps, the assessment review of your education and training. This step can take up to 60 working days, which is around 3 months. Here, the HCPC assesses your qualifications, training and clinical experience. They want to make sure if you have the necessary knowledge and skills to practice safely and effectively in the UK. If your education or experience doesn't fully align with the HCPC standards, they may ask for additional documents or clarification. Keep in mind that any back and forth may add more time to this process. Step 4th, outcome and registration fee, approximately 60 working days. Finally, after the education and training assessment, you will reach the outcome stage. This step also takes about 60 working days. At this point, HCPC will inform you if your application has been successful. If approved, you will be asked to pay the registration fee to complete the process and officially join the HCPC register. Once registered, you can legally practice as a physiotherapist in the UK. To recap, here's the approximate timeline for HCPC registration for physiotherapists. Step 1, apply and pay the scrutiny fee. Step 2, initial review and verification checks, which will take around 4 weeks. Step 3, assessment review of education and training, which will take up to 60 working days. And step 4, outcome and registration fee, which will take another 60 working days of yours. So all in all, this process can take several months to complete. So planning ahead is the key. We hope this breakdown of the HCPC registration process and timeline helps you better understand what to expect. If you have any questions about registering with HCPC or want to share your own experience, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. If you need any assistance with HCPC registration as a physiotherapist, Academically has to be your go-to place. Here, we help global physiotherapists move to the UK and decide the course of their medical career. Visit Academically.com today to know how we can support you in your registration journey. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching, but do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more helpful content like this. Good luck on your journey to becoming an HCPC registered physiotherapist.